Are Instagram calls not ringing on your iPhone? I'll show you an easy way to fix Instagram calls so they ring properly. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check iPhone notifications settings. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Scroll down and find the Instagram. Tap Instagram. Now, enable the sounds option here. Solution 2. Check Instagram notification settings. Open up the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile picture below. Next, tap on the 3-line icon from the top right corner. Now, scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Now tap on Calls option below. Here, make sure to select from Everyone or from Profiles I Follow. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the Instagram app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from Instagram. Solution 4. Offload Instagram app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the Instagram app, then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Glad your issue is fixed. Thanks for watching. See you next.